The following is a boiler room match. Introducing first, from the magical land of Narnia, weighing at 220 pounds, Bobo Glice.
Hey, guys, my name is Bobo, and I'd like to say I'm debuting today, and I issue an open challenge in this boiler room match for any who will accept. Anyone wants to fight Bobo Glice. Hey. It's an honor to meet you, huh? It's just, I didn't expect you to be my channel. Give me a hug. You were such a wonderful person, man. It's an honor to fight you today.
You sound like a chump.
What did you call me?
Oh my, and we are underway with
Oh God, I'm sorry. I didn't
Bobo
mean it.
Glice.
Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
And the man who accepted it, that is the hardcore champion, Franklin Fair.
Oh, he hit me in the head.
Oh my. Listen.
Listen. I didn't mean for that to happen, but I'm just gonna.
Oh, he's trying to get in Franklin's head.
Look, I'm just trying to defend myself. You are a very scary man. You know what?
Oh.
Listen.
What is-
Listen. You called me a chump.
Oh my God, with the barbell.
Who's the chump now?
You are a champ.
Bubba's got one of those.
Oh my God.
Right off the face of Franklin Fear.
Oh my God. Again.
And again, oh wow. Bobo is not happy right. Oh, we don't know what he's doing right now.
Oh, that's.
Oh, Fear's trying to go.
You called me a chump. I'll show him who the chump is.
Oh, there you go. Oh my God, what is that? That's a yardstick or something.
Stay back. You are a weird child. You look what you're wearing.
Oh.
Oh my.
Bobo's down. Bobo down.
You want?
Oh, oh my! Kick right to the face.
Sir, please.
What is he?
What?
He's going in the back. Bobo's down. Bobo's like daydreaming or something. Franklin Fear left, and I think Bobo fell asleep. I'm so confused on what to say right now.
Okay. My hat. My hat. No. Mine. Is it backward? Oh God. I don't know.
I
Where'd
don't
he
know.
go?
What is he? What the hell? What? I mean, I probably would be scared as hell right there too. Oh, he's trying. Oh, Bobo can escape right up there now. What? Fear's personally inviting him to do that. Oh.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
He's asking for him. Ow! That landed on my foot.
Hey,
Yeah.
listen. Buddy, it's just, you know how things can be. You're a little angry sometimes. You're a little crazy in the head. You're like that too. You know what I'm saying? You know, listen, we can talk about this. We can.
Do you like sports, Bobo?
No.
Big you like
Football!
Oh my god! What a counter by Bobo Glice. Oh my god. He caught the ball. I don't know if I got that or not. What's he do? Fear, listen. Got some water. Bobo's still down. Oh, he's going. He's going.
Hey, buddy. I'm not done with you. I step down for a second. Just I gotta. Listen, friend, buddy. Walk this. Oh.
Who? Right in the pole goes Franklin Fair. Oh my god! That's Superman punch.
Look, just you see, there's this little thing, just insanity. It exists,
Oh.
and you don't know where you are sometimes.
Oh my god! What a super kick! Oh my god!
My hat, my hat.
Oh my!
I'm done. I'm leaving.
You knocked my hat off. You never got my hat.
What? Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my god! Oh my! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my! Listen! Oh my god! I did not get that, but that sounded painful. Oh my god! Oh, Flash is ready for spring break chaos. Oh my god! Oh,
Bye-bye.
oh no way! What? No! No! Oh! Oh! Oh my! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bobo Glice won, but no, it's not that time. Flash just came out of what? Flash came out of nowhere and attacked Franklin Fair. I am so confused on what just happened. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? I think I'm just as confused as anyone else here. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a stare down right here. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do, huh? Don't scare me. That's right. Back up. Back up. You're gonna die. And your streak will end. That was Bobo.